guys, my bird always talks, but when I want to video her, she won't talk. So I'm going to try and get a sneak peek. Listen to her. Okay, listen. Listen. She usually hump day. She says hump day. Kiki, is it hump day? Kiki, bud. Come on, Kiki. Just thinks I'm pretty. Kiki, is it hump day? Kiki, bud. Do you have your socks on? Kiki! Hump day! She's got her socks on. I got my socks on. Let's go and I'll show you the culprit. I'll show you. She's an African gray. Keek. They want to hear you say it's hump day. Hump day. That's my African gray. And she will say hump day 1,000,000 times over. 1,000,000 times over. Every day it's hump day to her. But usually when I walk away or we're not in the room, she's got her socks on still. I got my socks on. I got my socks on. Let's see if I walk away, if she will talk to me or talk. If I usually like walking here in the kitchen. Kiki. Honey. Yeah. She's good at that. Honey. Kiki. And hump day. Can you bark, Kiki? My fridge is watching me. It's got eyes on me. Kiki, is it hump day, Kiki? You know what? We don't ever want her. It's like, okay, enough is enough. It's hump day. We know. Stop with the hump day. Enough hump day. And now she won't say it. I'm walking away again. She's back there. Walking away, walking away, walking away. Trying to get her to say hump day on vlog. Said it for Gigi. Oh, she said. She does Andrew Griffith. She does that one too. She does Andrew Griffith. Still walking around. Trying to ignore her. If I ignore her, she'll talk a lot. I'll entertain you. 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 I'm trying to get her to say it. No, she won't say it. And she screams too. There's somebody behind me. There's somebody behind me. Ow, shoot, I just found something. This is really, really, really. She like says it's like somebody. Oh, honey. You guys hear it? Honey. From my husband. Honey. Okay. Dad is at the store. Daddy at the stove. Okay. This was just... She's whistling. I don't want to make this long. And I don't want to edit. So it's a one-taker. So, come on, come on, come on. Okay, it's just going to be a boring vlog. She's back there. She's back there. A 5-minute vlog of nothingness. But just let me tell you, she talks up a storm and she won't shut up sometimes. She's got a wide vocabulary of words and I just can't capture it. I've tried and I've tried and I've tried. Okay, bye, boringness. Bye. Hope you love this boring vlog of a non-bird talking. She was supposed to talk. Okay, I'm back outside. We're back with the vlog. Trying to finish up the vlog for the day. Here's Chandler Chan.
Wait, is it just facing my way?
It's facing you. It's on you. Hello, Chandler. Do you want to give them all your names, your Instagram, your Twitter account name, nothing? Here's my backyard. It's not.
Well, my Instagram is 99 Chandler.
Instagram is 99 Chandler. And what is your Twitter name?
99 Chandler, but no D. Just Chandler.
Chandler. Hi. So you guys, hit her up. Hit her up on Instagram and hit her up on Twitter. Here's my pool. That's living in Cali. That's what happens. So, and pool view. Who wants to get in the pool? Look at this pool. It's freaking gorgeous. It's a little bit dirty, but it's February. So, in Cali, and it's beautiful out here tonight. It's warm. Neighborhood's pretty. Trees are pretty. My daughter's pretty. My dog's pretty. Even I'm pretty. Not really. I look terrible. Scruffy Muffy. Anyways, this is my pride and joy. It's my area.
You need to wash it.
I need to wash it. I need to wash all this down, but you know what? In California, we can't water right now, so we know how that goes. All us California peeps. So there is no watering. My plants are overgrown, and I'm trying to draw out. So we can't. I'm not want to get copyrighted by the music. Okay, everybody. Goodbye. Goodbye from California. Love ya. See ya when we see ya. Peace.